Hi kids, are you ready for today's science topic? It's going to be bubbly and fun. Hmm, have you ever wondered why does soap make bubbles? Let's explore the magic of bubbles together. There's a tiny cute bubble, but what is a bubble exactly? A bubble is like a tiny balloon. But wait, instead of rubber, it's made of soap and water. So, can you just imagine a balloon but made of water and soap? That's bubble. Let's learn a little bit more about the bubble skin. When soap mixes with water, it makes a very thin skin. This skin traps air inside. And ta-da! That's how a bubble is born. Let's think. Can plain water make bubbles? No, plain water is too weak. But soap comes to help. Soap makes the skin of the bubble stronger, so bubbles don't pop fast. Yay, soap! Have you seen rainbow colors on bubbles? That's because light bounces off the bubble's skin. So the bubble shines with rainbow magic. Well, children, where do we see bubbles? I know you must have already thought of various places where you see bubbles. We see bubbles when we wash our hands, when we take a bath, when we blow bubbles for fun, and even while washing clothes. Okay, kids, now let's have a quick recall of all that we have learned today. A bubble is made of soap, water, and air. Soap makes the bubble skin strong. Plain water cannot make bubbles by itself. Light bouncing off the bubbles makes the bubble rainbow colored. And we see bubbles while washing, bathing, or playing. Super cool, right? Okay, kids, now it's time for quiz. So, are you all ready? Then let's begin. What are bubbles made of? Paper, glue, air, soap, water, air, plastic, water, air. Hmm, which one sounds like real bubbles? Not paper, not plastic. So, yes, bubbles are made of soap, water, and air. Very good. Next question. Why can't plain water make bubbles? It is too weak, it is too hot, it is too dry. Think, what did we say about plain water? Yes, it is too weak. Smart answer, kids. On to the next question now. What does soap do for bubbles? It makes them smell nice. It makes the bubble skin strong. It makes them square. Well, have you ever seen a square bubble? No. So what is the correct answer? Soap makes the bubble skin strong. Very good. Now the next question. Why do bubbles look colorful? Because of paint? Because of soap smell? Because light bounces off the skin. Okay, do we paint bubbles? No. Do they smell rainbowy? No. So what is left? Yes, because light bounces off the skin of the bubble. Fantastic. And now the last question. Where do we see bubbles? While washing hands and bathing? Only in the sky? Only in books? Do we only see them in sky or in books? No. So the right answer is we see bubbles while washing hands and bathing. And as you know, even while playing with bubbles. Super job. Fantastic work, Bubble Masters. You have learned how soap, water, and air team up to make bubbles. Why bubbles shine with rainbow colors, and where we see them every day. Keep wondering, keep playing, and keep bubbling with curiosity. Have a bubbly day.